Today we are going to study exercise 14.3 question number 5. The following table gives the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. Lifetimes of 400 neon lamps. Here lifetime first one is 500 to 300 to 414 lamps lifetime. 400 to 500 hours 56 lamps. 500 to 600 hours 60 lamps. 600 700 86 lamps. 700 to 800 74 lamps. 800 to 900 62 lamps. 900 to 1000 48 lamps. These are the lifetimes of neon 400, total 400 lamps. Question is, represent the given information with the help of a histogram. You have to draw a histogram. Question number 2 is, how many lamps have a lifetime of more than 700 hours? First you have to draw histogram. Yesterday you studied bar graph. How to draw bar graph? This is histogram. Here in histogram, first of all we need the class interval in continuation. Look at this. 300 to 400, again 400 to 500, again 500 to 600. This continuation we need first. You have to check whether it is continued or not. 300 to 400, 400 to 500, again 500 to 600, 600 to 700, 700 to 800, again 800 to 900, again 900 to 1000. This continuation we need for drawing histogram. Then draw histogram in a graph of first x-axis, lifetime in hours. Next y-axis, number of lamps. Here 0, 10, 10 difference in y-axis. First 0 here, next after 1 square 10, again after 1 square 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, because the biggest number is 86. So up to 90 you have to write on y-axis. Then here small, how many small lines are here? 0 to 10. 10 small lines are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means one line is 1. One small line is 1. Then 10 small line 10. Again 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then that means between 0 and 10, 10 small lines. One small line carry 1 point. Okay. Then first one is 300 to 400. Here x-axis start from, here it is start from 0. Then but the histogram start from 300 to 400. Therefore we have to leave one square. This you have to draw like this. That means not to start from 0 first. One line, one square is you have to leave, then only start question 300 to 400. Okay. Then first one is 300 to 400. How much here? In question is 300 to 400 is 14. Then after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then draw the box. Okay, 300 to 400. Again 400 to 500. Again 400 to 500 is 56. Then 400 to 500. That means continuation here. Therefore, in bar graph we draw after each, leaving each square, one square. But here there is no leave of any square. Continuation. Therefore, same. From here you have to draw 56, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Draw the box 400 to 500. Understood? Again continuation 500 to 600. From here 60. Then here 60. Then again here continue here 500 to 600. Again 600 to 700. 600 to 700 is how much? 86. Then after 80, 85, 86. Draw the box. Next 700 to 800. 700 to 800 is how much? 74. 700 to 800. From here 74. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. Draw the box. Again 800 to 900. Draw 800, 900, 62. After 60, 61, 62. Then continuation here. You have to touch the next one. Each boxes are touching each other. That is called histogram. Okay. But in bar graph is how to draw bar graph. You drawn yesterday bar graph drawn. You have to leave each square. After leaving one square, then only you have to draw second one. But here in histogram, you have to no need to leave the square. You have to here it is continuation. Therefore, continue to draw. Touch with each other. Continue to you have to draw. Understood? This is called a histogram. Then you completed the histogram. This is called histogram. Very important question. Now draw histogram. It will come in your examination. Draw histogram. After histogram, drawing histogram. What was the second question? Second question says that how many lamps have a lifetime of more than 700 hours? How many lamps are lifetime more than 700? More than 700 starting from 700 to 800. Na? 700 to 800. How many lamps a question? How many lamps are 700 to 874? 800 to 962. 900 to 1040. Total how many? 8 to 10, 14, 1, 10, 11, 7, 18, 184 lamps. 184 lamps are lifetime more than 700 hours. That is the question. Number 2 answer is you have to write in your notebook. 184 lamps have lifetime more than 700 hours. This is the question number 5. All questions are same. You do homework. Another questions. Okay. Other questions also you have to do homework. Okay. Thank you.